Yeah, a little bit of scenery. What is it? What with it? Falmouth. Look at that house over there. I shall arm that over there. It looks like it.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it is. I like it.
5 over that. Or mango or jelly man.
Oh, there's African safaris right here. Oh, we have the fruits, man. Oh, look, you want your fruits. That's why you gotta love Jamaica, you know. You get your fruits on the corner. You stop.
Someone that comes so fast. Me blood flowers. Look at that top. Yo. Can't behind me, yo. They go about 200 miles ago. Pass me.
Stop at the gas station. Where is it? Baka Beach?
Cross, no?
So why you didn't cut grass?
No, I don't get caught up.
All the person's waiting. Okay.
Let's go. Gas station.
Okay, alright. We've reached.
Yeah, put up your hand. So run on your foot.
Oh gosh. Oh, there's a Cambio and stuff there.
5,090. 5,090. Cash.
Oh,
Gotta pay you first?
Yeah, you gotta pay first before you get your gas.
I first gas station.
Why you worry about people running off?
Finally.
I know the owners, right? But this is a policy. That's understandable. Hmm? I look like somebody you know. I got that familiar face. Alright guys, so we're in what? Runaway Bay? Runaway Bay. We just stopped to get some gas.
Where you going? You gonna pay?
Hmm?
Where you going? You gonna pay them inside?
Yeah, I guess so. Where's Zoe? Zoe them come in? Mm-hmm. Oh, they're behind. Okay, I see them park up there. Alright, so we're just getting some gas and then we are heading off to where we are going. I done far? I done far? Thank you. Alright guys, let me get you some footage. Okay. Oh, you have the man he's selling sandals. Look, they pre-made sandals. They're selling it out the back of the car. So he should be behind us here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there. Tell him to go ahead. What? Yeah.
You know long when I got Puerto Rico Beach?
You remember the last time when we came down here?
My kids make Puerto Rico
you know the last time I think we came down here, babe, was in remember. You know the last time we came down here was in 2015. You remember our first New Year's Eve together? Yeah, our first New Year's Eve when we came down here and watched the fireworks. I think that was the last time I actually came down. Finally reached, yeah, live plantation, yeah, smokehouse. So it's all, and it's right across from Richmond Estates in Jamaica. All right, guys. So we've reached the plantation. Oh gosh, yeah. All right, ready to go get our grub on. Ready to go get our grub on. We finally find where we are. Time to go and eat, because your girl is hungry. So look at the entryway.
Right? There's so many picture spots, it's so nice.
Yeah. See? Plantation. So we're going upstairs. Yeah. Okay. Wait, my rod is almost missed the stuff. Oh gosh. Okay. Oh, nice dining room up here. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. You want to sit here? Oh, they have outside.
Said 6 persons, right?
Yes.
So that's the rest of the person gets here. I'll come back with you. Okay.
Let me go outside. Okay, so this is what it looks like out here. Let's say patio style. So you have the outside upstairs and you have the inside. And you have the nice little view. Oh, they got a little place where you can take pictures. So that's nice as well. They have a nice little place where you could take pictures.
Yeah, that's what take pictures.
Yeah. Oh, and this is where they have the live concert and stuff.
Yeah, live Fridays.
Not bad. Even the things I'm on top, you know, they're actual fake. I thought they were real.
Real.
Yeah.
So, natural.
All right.
Tap water, bottle water.
Bottle.
Top is fine for me. 4 bottle waters? Or sure, that's fine. Could I get cold?
Yes.
Cold.
Okay. Let's look at the menu. Alright. Oh, they got appetizer. Fish taco. Oh shit! I want a fried calamari. Oh my god.
See Mario face. There's no lobster, and she said for soup they have chicken soup.
We have chicken soup.
Beef soup. Yeah, beef soup and
Oh, they don't have any? Well, I know I want my appetizer right now. I already go pick. Yeah.
Boy, time at tea, man.
And they have the drink. So, oh, this is the menu, guys. Look good, look good. Wait. Oh, vegetarian. So we waiting on our other two guests again.
Leave
Leave it for.
They were ahead of us.
You're not the compromise.
They were ahead of us by far, and we still end up reach before them.
Yeah.
You're gonna hear them come in. You're gonna hear them.
What else is on here?
We didn't get that
No. We don't have anything. We only had
The grill. What is it?
Oh, yes,
I'll do the corn.
You want that too? So on a scale when you don't go anywhere, man. No branch out there.
What's the herb potatoes?
Those are wedges.
No.
So everybody knows what they want? Okay, so then we can just all order. And
Yeah. Don't worry about the corn. I'll just have the You have veggies? Wedges? I want veggies.
That's why I'm talking about That's why I'm talking about
Oh, just for seasoned vegetables? That's a lot. I just thought it was just someone beside.
Your stuff first comes with vegetables. Basically,
Okay.
comes with the same vegetables.
Okay. All right. So that's fine. Yeah. So don't worry about the corn. No. And I want. Can I get 2 vegetables? No, make it 3. Because then I'll have 3. You have 1, and then I could give you 1. So those 2, those 2, those
every
couple.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with the stuffed chicken breast.
We just
No, not today.
Say the stuff coming so you both can share, alright? Even if he doesn't want it.
He don't want no stuffed salmon. He don't like salmon. That don't even make no sense.
So for the stuff coming outside, you need that with.
Let me get the.
Oh gosh. Alright, so I got myself some
I made it for him.
calamari.
And he loves cheese, and I made it
here
every
and
Tuesday.
some
Taco
more
Tuesday.
calamari.
You have
I love
any
it.
Cholitos? Cholitos is so.
This here. Yes. 1, 2. Oh. I'm ready to eat. Look at the food, guys. The food is here. Woo! Look at that.
Everyone has a name, Oxtail.
Serious.
There's an oxtail kana.
My man, wake up with the food, though, okay? Alright.
So you wake up just in time.
Yes, babe, I want that crispy
Oh,
thing.
thank you. Yeah, this is mine. Oh, wow.
Excited.
I love the presentation. The presentation is on point.
Sorry. Oh, it's for me.
Presentation is on point.
You control the camera.
Wow, I love it here, man.
Is it nice?
It's so nice. Oh, I know me a dog.
Presentation is on point.
Could steak, man. Could 45 minutes.
Wait,
steak,
missing. Oh,
man.
you're missing one thing. Your mashed potatoes. You're still missing your sweet potato. Yeah.
Get into it.
Yeah. Say dig in. Oh, you got the big man fork. Yes, Mr. Williams. Dig in. Dig in.
I'm getting your drink.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Where is my stuff?
She's missing. You're missing something.
You can look like you're ready.
Okay, Ma.
It's not well done.
Yeah, you gotta something. There's no red. If it's not bleeding, then yes.
It looks good. Cut it from the middle and see first. How did you tell them or you didn't even say? That looks like it's well done.
This?
Yeah. Come from me, I have to cut it so? That looks like it's well done. Yeah, man.
Where the trouble
Well done more.
Don't trouble steak, you know? Raw.
Oh man, that good. Steak we can't cook well done because it's a rubber.
Cook it well, that's what I can say.
Burn up, give me man.
It doesn't taste like a rubber.
Burn it up, give me.
That's saying burn it, give me.
You call it chicken breast?
Stuffed chicken breast.
Hot spear and steak. Hot spear. There you go. Hot spear. There you go. Yo.
Come glaze over your food, sir. There we go. Oh Lord, let me mute that. Food lover.
We love food at the motto.
Oh, mango?
Yeah, mango.
Thank you.
Can you tell the waitress that we had there was supposed to be a sweet potato as well for his. Thank you.
Then cook it now, get it now. You like more, we could eat that one, you like it.
Not eat none.
Yeah.
How is everything so far?
I don't know yet.
Never tasted it yet. We have to take Instagram pics.
Alright. Guys, my battery's dying and I didn't bring one up here, so I will catch you guys back after I'm done my food. Amazing, guys. Look at this. Yeah. Everything empty.
Boy, I don't know. I'm going to go see a plane of fly because
no plane off fly. Food was amazing, guys. 8 up. Great. Satisfied.
I was second one,
was
so
good.
we can stay here.
this is your second home. This is my first home.
Alright guys, so we just finished eating at the Plantation. Food was good. Plantation Smokehouse. Yes, it was the bomb. Food, A1. A1. Trust me. And the price are reasonable, guys. The price are reasonable. The food was really good. And the waitress that we had, girl, I forgot your name, but big up yourself. It started with an S. Samelia. Or Shamil, something like that. I don't want to mess up your name, but big up yourself. The food was good. And the customer service, A1 as well. She had a pleasant face, you know. When we asked for anything, she got it, no hesitation, and she greeted us well all throughout. Good customer service, so you know we had to tip her good. Yeah, she got a nice piece of change from our table. But we had a great time. Great time. Couldn't have said it the way our day ended any better. It was great. So time to head this way. Oh, what do they have? Devon House ice cream. How's that with them turn out? Okay, oh, they're behind the truck. Oh, and over here, oh look, so like I told you guys, it's right across from what estate is this? So right across from Richmond estate, guys. Yeah, right across from it. So see, it's not far, it's within distance. Babe, it looks like we're gonna have to get us a house over here. Yeah, get us a house in Richmond estate. Yeah. So we'll have a house out here, and then we have our country house. Yeah, Hey, you can always dream big, you know, and like you say, dream big, you never know. You're look at that. So Richmond Estate, guys. So that is it. Look at this view, guys. Look at that. All ocean. So beautiful. That view, that is beautiful. Look at all these houses. Look at all these houses. Now that is a beautiful view. So this is the premix truck, and then they have the machine there that you put it in, and it takes it up there and pour it. So they're casting, I think, the roof over there, it's going up. That actually looks like a ride. You're right. So it sucks it up from out of the truck?
Nope. You go park up right there, there's something there.
Oh, and dump it in, and then the noise will come down.
And that go up at top.
Yeah, that's what they hold, and it sprays out.
Yeah, go up the top. So you drop it in something behind it, you can suck it up and send it over.
I see. We have to take a shortcut because there is traffic like crazy. So we just made it back into town. Sharp. Yeah.
So here I used to run up and I train football, play soccer. When I go back way in front and come back down here, so I'm going to stretch on the wall here. So.
So we didn't come watch football one time?
Nope.
No, a different place I think about. Finally reached home. Long drive, but we had a great time. My makeup is probably sweating off my face. We were stuck in traffic for a good while, but we reached home safe. Oh my gosh, we had a ball with Zoisha and people them man, and we also had a ball with the subscriber family that came to the couples retrieve with us. Man, it was just a good feeling, you know, for couples to get together. There was no issue, there was no argument, like we all vibes, like we all knew each other. And the funny thing is that we all met each other for the first time. Well, we know Zoisha, but we met Zoe husband, the people that man, for the first time, and the subscriber couple that came out as well. So we just like to say thank you, and we hope you guys enjoyed yourself as we did. God, me know me and Zoisha, yeah, we turned up, we enjoyed ourselves, and our husbands enjoyed ourselves too. But we know you guys enjoy yourself because, yo, it was a vibe. So, but yeah, we're gonna call it a night because your girl gonna go take off my makeup. I'm going to pack out these things because I don't want to pack them out tomorrow, and I'm going to shower and get to sleep in. Well, maybe I won't go to bed yet, but if I fall asleep, I fall asleep. So I am closing out the vlog. I don't even know where Mr. Williams is. Where's Mario?
On the rooftop, mommy.
Ain't gone for the rooftop? Oh, but I guess I'll take you guys up there.
Oh my God.
Look guys, it's a full moon outside. Well, I came up here thinking Mr. Williams on the housetop, but he's not. So I'm going to have to find out where he is. He's somewhere in the yard. So look at the kids. Close out the vlog. I am pretty much done unpacking now. So I just have to pack out Mr. Williams' stuff. And that is it. So, oh yeah, and the dogs, they got some good dinner today. They had steak. They end up getting what? Fish. What else? Curry goat. And they had, what else? They have oxtail. they eat well nice today. Look how them big and fat. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna come and I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and we will catch you in the next one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam, who is always a vibes over here. Sorry for the lighting. It looks dark on my camera. So I will catch you guys in the next vlog. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No point we left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.